Okay, I just had to show somebody my awesome snack. So you just take one of these tortillas, then you microwave like, I don't know, scoop, maybe a tablespoon and a half of butter. Pour it on your tortilla piece, spread her around. Can't be cheap with the butter. Remember, fats are good. By the way, this is my first food video, but I just had to share this with you guys because it's so simple. It takes not long. Throw some cinnamon on it. And then to be healthy, you take a splendid sugar. So not real sugar. And you just pour it on there. And then you mix it around a bit like this. Teeny bit. And then the trick is you pour it upside down.
3, 2, 1.
You let this just pour out. And then you flip it. And you flip it again. That way it gets on each side. No cane sugar. Then you roll it. This is like awesome low carb, high fat, healthy. Then you can either do it like a roll, or you can cut it like so and be cute about it. Then you have these little cinnamon rolls that are kind of warm because the butter was heated. And they're amazing. It's so good. You can put these on like a plate or whatever. Get it off this dirty plate. It's got all the ingredients all over it. And put it on a clean plate. Healthy cinnamon rolls with no sugar.
Oh, yeah.
So good.